Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you my finished model of the L-Gaim MK-II from the 80s anime heavy metal L-Gaim. The original robot design is by Nagano Mamoru, who famously designed the mechas in the 5-star stories. This model was published by Bandai under the R3 line, and I picked it up during a Boxing Day sale at my local hobby store. Similar to a Master Grade Gundam kit, the inner frame of this model is amazingly detailed. In contrast to its external armors, it would be a shame not to film the inner frame before putting on the armor pieces, and this is exactly what I did when I was building and filming this kit. I picked up 3 bottles of metallic paint in red, green, and blue from Mr. Color when I worked on this kit, and I decided to apply them on the small details in this kit, in addition to gunmetal color to bring out the small details. This model kit comes with several sets of final wires, and one of the sets is for the hair behind the head. While this makes an interesting detail, but the way the wires are wrapped around the head and the neck piece, this creates strict restrictions on the head movement. In fact, if you put too much tension when wrapping the wire, the head could tilt backward, making the robot always looking up for no reasons. There are also soft rubber pieces used as wires, coverings, and hoses for the head, torso, and legs. Bandai decided to use soft rubber for the material because they wanted to offer flexibility on articulation, but they are a pain to remove casting lines and for painting. When it comes to paint on soft rubber, it only works if you never bend the material. The moment you put stress on the material, the paint will crack and flick off, and this is exactly what happened to the piece on the torso. When it comes to the external armor, the design is plainer than the inner frame. Because of this, I added photo etch parts to enhance some of the details on this kit. Although the added details are subtle, but I think they added just enough to enhance the overall look. I also used an aftermarket mesh hose to replace the rubber hose on the Buster launcher. In terms of articulation, this kit is quite flexible except for the head. I did find some of the joints looser than to my liking, making it hard to keep the pose over time, as weight and gravity will slowly but surely change the pose whether you wanted it or not. Finally, I have no idea how to replicate the pose for the MK-II holding the Buster launcher in a shooting position as shown in the box art. This is because I'm constantly finding the launcher coming to contact with the backpack. In order to avoid contacting the two components, I found the final pose to look very unnatural, so I ended up posting the MK-II supporting the Buster launcher and called it done. If anyone knows how to pose the MK-II in a shooting position while holding the Buster launcher, feel free to leave me a message in the comment section. If you like this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe to this channel for more future contents. Until the next time, keep building models.